everybody, welcome back to another video. Today you join us at Pepperbox Hill.
Pepperbox Hill, and there's the pepper pot that we will be exploring. The hill is named after the 17th century brick Folly, which stands at a high point on the chalk escarpment and forms part of the Brickworth Down and Dean Hill site of scientific special interest.
So as I'm walking up to it, it's just a tower made out of bricks. Has a wind thingy that actually still works, so that's cool. It's in quite a nice area, so yeah, trees surrounding it.
Looks more like a rocket than a pepper pot.
Yeah, it's kind of my first thoughts.
The name Pepperbox derives from its resemblance to a Georgian box used to hold valuable peppercorns. The Folly is within the village of White Parish. The Folly is a three-storey hexagonal tower constructed of brick. The tower overlooks the beautiful Salisbury plain. The building's original purpose is unknown, though theories include that it was built to provide Eyre with views of Longford Castle, or to provide local landowners' wives, including Eyre's wife Jane Eyre, a lookout tower to watch the men hunt. The tower is considered one of the oldest follies, and today it is a Grade 2 listed building. It is currently owned by the National Trust. Here the drone got a bit out of control and crashed into the side of the tower. What is this here we see?
It would appear to be...
I never remember the names of these, but it tells you where you are. Salisbury Plain is that way. That's Warminster over there. Shaftesbury over there. And Bournemouth is that way. And Southampton is that way. Here we were lucky enough to catch a rainbow going over the tower.
This structure was built in 1606 by Giles to spy on his neighbours.
If you ever visit Pepperbox Hill, be sure to look at the many walks that surround the local countryside, being we're right on the edge of Salisbury Plain. The hill and many of its walks are easily accessed from the A36.
where we're going to end it for today. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit that bell. Goodbye, all.
Bye. We're just finishing with a brew by the pepper pot, and the moon is out.